by the input of energy from the sun. Equatorial regions receive 2.5 times as much energy as poles, but the atmosphere and oceans redistribute this energy polewards. Due to the tilt of the Earth axis of the rotation, the amount of energy received by the northern and southern hemispheres varies throughout the year, resulting in cold winter and warm summer seasons. The tropics minus 32.45 degrees north and south marks the latitudes at which the sun is directly overhead on Midsummer's Day. They also delimit one of the three main climate zones, the warm tropical zone. The cold polar zone is the other extreme, with the temperature zone in between. Here you can see topic Pacific precipitation. Here you can see 0, 50, 100, 150, 200, 250, 300 millimeters per month. 100 millimeters equal 4 inches approximately. Here you can see January. Red color here. February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Precipitation patterns are linked to temperature, since more water evaporates from the ocean surface when its temperature is higher. This water vapor condenses as clouds and then rain, hail, or snow. Maximum rainfall, therefore, is around the equatorial zone, with the poles actually receiving very little snowfall. Areas which receive low rainfall throughout the year are deserts, and lack of cloud cover makes some of them the hottest areas of the world. The band of high equatorial rainfall moves north and south with the seasons and marks the boundary between north and southern atmospheric circulation. Called the intertropical convergence zone. The cycle of rainfall has more meaning within the tropics than variation of temperature, with rainy and dry seasons determined by latitude, adjacent ocean currents, and topography. Monsoon cycle of southern Asia is reinforced over India by reversal currents and airflow from the Indian Ocean, producing a pronounced rainfall maximum by July and August. Average temperature. Here you can see 32, 50, 68, 86, 104, 122 Fahrenheit. Here 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 Celsius. Here January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Temperature patterns follow the seasonal energy input from sun, with the northern hemisphere warmer in the month of June, August, northern summer, and the colder in the month December, February, northern winter. The ocean has higher heat capacity than the land. It heats up and cools down more slowly. So at the given latitude, the ocean is usually cooler than the land in summer and warmer in winter. This can be seen very clearly in January in the Northeast Atlantic, where the Gulf Stream carries warm water from the tropics to the cold coasts of the northern Europe. Such warm currents modify the local climate, making Western Europe milder than other areas in the same latitude. In other areas, cold currents such as Humboldt current of Western South America bring cold polar water back to the equator. The latitude of the land, the altitude of the land also modifies the temperature, since the air becomes less dense and therefore colder. The high Tibetan Plateau and Andes Mountains are cooler than surrounding areas throughout the year.